Hello friends, I'm Mr. Mark and we are going to do a little science experiment, and we're going to need a plate and some Skittles and some hot water. So you're going to need your parents to help you out with this one. Let me move the camera a little bit closer and I'll show you what we're doing. So for this experiment you are going to need some candies that have colored coatings on them, like Skittles, like I'm using, or some jelly beans. And as you can see, I have all different colors. I have orange, purple, green, red, yellow, orange, purple, green, red, yellow. What do I have here? Looks like I have a pattern. Let's try again. Orange, purple, green, red, yellow, orange, purple, green, red, yellow. We have a pattern and we have different colors. So I'm going to take some warm water, and get your moms and dads to help you with this because you got to be very careful. And if I pour hot water in the center of the dish, let's see what happens. Give it a moment. Whoa, look at that. All the colors blend together. So we've got the purple and the green and the red and the orange. They're all making a nice big swirl. That's pretty neat. Now I'm going to get rid of these and put a different kind of pattern and see what happens. We'll see if we can do it again. Alright, this time I have green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. Let's see what happens if I pour some water, some warm water, onto the plate. Give it a moment. Let the water do its thing. Oh, I see something happening. Looks like the greens and the yellows are kind of mixing up together. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Alright, let's try one more. Now, let's see what happens if I use purple, red, purple, red, purple, red, purple, red. There's another pattern. And purple and red are the colors. So what happens if I pour some hot water into the plate? And give it a moment. Hey, look at that. The colors seem to be mixing together. Oh, now the red and the purple are touching. It's making like a nice ring. That's pretty cool. And it seems to be getting bigger. Can you see it? So we have red, purple, red, purple, red, purple, red, purple. Smells pretty good too. You can't smell it, but I can. It's very sweet. So all these colors are mixing together, and the circle, the white in the circle in the middle, is disappearing because the colors are starting to meld. I think that was the best one yet. What do you think? So we used different colors and we used different patterns and we got different swirls when we put the hot water in there. That was a pretty neat experiment. And the best part of this experiment is when you're finished, you get to eat the leftover candies. Those are awesome. Alright, that's going to be it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and I will see you soon. Oh, and I'm going to make sure I share this candy.